Studies on use of phase transfer catalyst in liming process, work done by Jasper, Sebastian Alexander and Shankar. External guidance Dr. N. Vedaraman, Senior Technical Officer, Chemical Engineering Department, CLRI. Internal guidance Mr. A. Saranaraj, Assistant Professor and Head of the Department, Chemical Engineering, Feltech High Tech Engineering College. Objective to reduce the process time in liming process using suitable phase transfer catalyst. Other processing is classified into soaking, liming, and tanning. Liming is further classified into liming, unairing, and reliming. Liming process. The soaked hide and skin are soaked in milk of lime. Additional agents such as sodium sulfide are added. It does take 5 to 10 hours. Objective of liming process: loosening of air due to chemical action, collagen solution, split off of collagen fiber, removal of soluble protein, and removal of natural grease and fats. Chemicals used in liming process: sodium sulfate and lime. Calcium hydroxide gives OH minus ions and sodium sulfate gives SH minus ions. OH minus ions causes for collagen solution and SH minus ions causes for keratin protein destruction. Unairing: the limed skins are unaired using a blunt knife. Reliming: unairing skins are soaked in the milk of liming for further swelling and collagen fiber split up. Phase transfer catalyst. Phase transfer catalyst is a catalyst which facilitates the migration of a reactant in a heterogeneous system from one phase into another phase. Mechanism of phase transfer catalyst. The PTC present in the aqueous phase undergoes anionic exchange with the anion of the reactant. The ion pair can diffuse through the liquid-liquid interface and diffuse from aqueous phase to organic phase. The anion in the ion pair reacts with the reactant in the organic phase and desired product is obtained. The catalyst diffuses through the interface to the aqueous phase. The action is repeated. Examples of phase transfer catalysts: quaternium ammonium salts and phosphonium salts are used for anionic reactant, and crown ethers and cryptans are used for alkali metal cations. Here, OH minus ions and SH minus ions are anionic reactant. The quaternium ammonium salts are used because it is more cheaper than phosphonium salts. What is quaternium ammonium salts? Quaternium ammonium salts considered as alkyl or array derivative of ammonium salts. Preferred quaternium ammonium salts: tetramethyl ammonium hydroxide, tetraethyl ammonium hydroxide, tetrabutyl ammonium hydroxide. The hydrated lime has the functional group of OH minus ions. Since it is the one of the reactant group in the reaction, the quaternium ammonium salts having OH minus ion selected for the process. Liming composition. The raw material is salted gold skin. For first liming process, lime 10%, sulfate 2%, water 100% used. The lime liquor reusing process, lime 3%, sulfate 1.5%, water 100% are used. The reliming composition. The raw material is conventional lime gold skin. Fresh process, lime 5%, water 200% used. The reuse of relime liquor process, lime 2% and water 200% are used. Observation: in the liming process, air removability and percentage increase in weight due to swelling was observed. In reliming process, percentage increase in weight due to swelling was observed. The following experiments were carried out on goat skin: liming using 3 different PTC, lime optimization studies 1 using TMAH, optimization studies 2 using TMAH, liming at optimum condition, PTC lime solution reuse studies 1, PTC lime solution reuse studies 2. The above experiments are carried out in liming process and the following experiments are carried out in reliming process. Reliming using different percentage of TMAH, optimization studies 1, reuse studies 2. Experiment: liming using 3 different phase transfer catalysts. 4 samples were taken and tetramethyl ammonium hydroxide, tetramethyl ammonium hydroxide, tetrabutyl ammonium hydroxide of same percentage used in 3 samples, and the fourth one was conventional liming process. The results were tabulated. The following observations are made. Unairing achieved in 2 hours in tetramethyl ammonium hydroxide, unairing achieved in 3 hours in tetraethyl ammonium hydroxide and tetrabutyl ammonium hydroxide, and in conventional process unairing achieved in 5 hours. So, tetramethyl ammonium hydroxide is suitable transfer catalyst for liming process. Optimization studies 1 carried out using tetramethyl ammonium hydroxide as PTC. 4 samples were taken. In sample 1, sample 2, sample 3, the TMAH of different percentage 2.5%, 1.25% and 0.62% are used. The fourth one was conventional liming process. The sample 1, sample 2 gives same results. So instead of using 2.5%, we can use 1.25%. Experiment 3, optimization studies 2 using tetramethyl ammonium hydroxide. 4 samples were taken. The tetramethyl ammonium hydroxide of various compositions such as 1.25%, 1%, 0.75% are used. In the fourth one was conventional liming process. The 1% and 1.25% samples gives same results. So instead of using 1.25%, we can use 1%. So 1% is the optimum value. Experiment 4, liming at optimum condition. Two samples were taken. In sample 1, optimum amount of tetramethyl ammonium hydroxide was used. Sample 2 was conventional liming process. The results are tabulated. From the results, the TMAH applied process achieved unerring in 2 hours and gives better swelling than conventional process. Experiment 5, lime liquor reusing studies 1. The lime solution from previous process was taken. The reuse studies carried out with 0.5% PTC makeup. Two samples were taken. In sample 1, the lime solution from previous process was reused with additional PTC makeup, and sample 2 was fresh conventional process. The results were tabulated. From the results, the lime solution reuse process gives the same results as optimum liming process, that is fresh process. So reusing studies gives better results. Experiment 6, lime liquor reusing studies 2. The lime solution from previous process was taken. The reuse studies carried out with 0.5% PTC makeup. Two samples were taken. In sample 1, the lime solution from previous process was reused with additional PTC makeup, and sample 2 was fresh conventional process. The results were tabulated. From the results, the lime solution reuse process gives the same results as optimum liming process, that is fresh process. So reusing studies gives better results. Experiment 7, effect of tetramethyl ammonium hydroxide in reliming process. Four conventionally limed samples were taken. In sample 1, sample 2, sample 3, the tetramethyl ammonium of various compositions such as 0.5%, 0.75%, and 1% was used. The sample 4 was conventional reliming process. The 1% and 0.75% tetramethyl ammonium hydroxide aided reliming process almost give the same results, and which is more than the other process. So instead of using 1% of TMAH, we can use 0.75% of TMAH. Experiment 8, reliming studies at optimum value of TMAH. Two samples were taken, which is conventionally limed. In sample 1, optimum amount of TMAH used, and sample 2 was conventional liming process. The percentage increase in weight was noted, and the results were tabulated. From the results, 50% of time reduction was observed. Experiment 9, relime liquor reusing studies 1. The relime liquor from previous process was taken. Reusing studies carried out with 0.5% PTC makeup. Two samples were taken, which is conventionally limed. In sample 1, the relime liquor from previous process was reused. In sample 2 was fresh reliming process. From the results, it was observed that the reusing studies equal results as the fresh PTC aided process. Experiment 10, relime liquor reusing studies 2. The relime liquor from previous process was taken. Reusing studies carried out with 0.5% PTC makeup. Two samples were taken, which is conventionally limed. In sample 1, the relime liquor from previous process was reused. In sample 2 was fresh reliming process. From the results, it was observed that the reusing studies equal results as the fresh PTC aided process. Conclusion in liming process. Tetramethyl ammonium hydroxide is the suitable catalyst. The time taken for liming process is reduced up to 60%. Unerring achieved in 2 hours. Swelling was higher than the conventional liming process. 1% of tetramethyl ammonium hydroxide is the optimum amount. Reuse of PTC lime liquor with 0.5% PTC makeup gives same results as the fresh one. The physical and chemical properties of leather did not change. Conclusion in reliming process. Tetramethyl ammonium hydroxide is the suitable catalyst. The time taken for reliming process is reduced up to 50%. The swelling was 2 times more than the conventional process. The 0.75% of tetramethyl ammonium hydroxide is the optimum amount. The reuse of PTC relime liquor with 0.5% PTC makeup gives the same results as the fresh one, and it does not alter the physical and chemical properties of the leather.